Soria. Pass to Guliano. Guliano the leather to Salarzon. Attacks in the middle, 100 shots in. Number 9, Jericho Soria. Gian Cabalbac on the other hand. CK Soria attacks in the left. One nice screen by number 8. And a finish by CK Soria. Where is that on this ball game? Number 9, Salarzon uses the big pass on there to rise another one. Shot clock at 16 seconds. Molina. With the number 8, Papuno. Goes inside. 100 shots in. The number 8 with 15 seconds on this shot clock. Number 10, Andaya. 2-pointers in. Here's number 10, Andaya. From the 15 line, jumpers in. The number 10. Number 17, Gian Cabalbac. Love pass to CK Soria. Under the basket. 2-pointers in. Number 6, CK Soria. Number 9, Salarzon. Uses Andaya, picks Salarzon. To Biana at the corner. Biana puts it up. Rebound by number 6, CK Soria. Jakas Asha lays on 2-pointers in. Number 10, Jump. Number 17. Alin J. Adair to the middle, zigzagging, laser in. And number 10, Jakas Asha to Ernest Molina. Molina uses Rabanal, feed to the middle, loses the ball, recovers by Jakas Asha, corner 3. Bang! For 3! Number 9, Ernest Molina, defender in there. Molina to the middle, left-handed layup, easy 2-pointer. Asha. Jakas Asha lays up, charge, Alin J. Adair lays it in, yes sir. To Ralph Rabanal. Ernest Molina pass, Cabalbac left, wide open. And one. Adair on the leather. Crosses over to Dominic Raposo, launches a 3. Tagodin up by 1 point. Jakas Asha uses a big. Accelerates, plays it in, change by 4. Pass it on, Rabanal goes up. High off the glass, yes sir! Now Darmatan up by 3 points. Number 17, Adair. Floater receive with number 17, Alin J. Biana for 3. Shot won't go, given the number 10, Jakas Asha. Jakas Asha is stepping on the gas. Laser in! Jakas Asha uses the big. 10 on the shot clock, step back for 3. Here's number 9, Ernest Molina. He's got the defender. Molina from the 15-foot line. Nothing but the bottom of the ball stolen. Number 7, Jerome Bedoya lays it in. Easy 2-pointer. Number 5, Magusi, left-handed shot. Rebound by Kuno. Pass to Jerome Bedoya. Jakas Asha lays it in. Easy 2-pointer. Darmatan up by 10 points, ball stolen. Asha behind the back, pass to Molina, what a nice play! Number 9, Salarzon. From the 15-foot line, jumpers in the number 9, Jericho Salarzon. Darmatan up by 10 points. Kamunok, Kinon, pass to Molina. Molina baseline jumper. That's a 2-pointer. Here's number 12, Alcantara on the left wing. Alcantara puts it up and puts it in. That pass to CK Soria. What a nice play. Number 14, Rabanal. Pass to Gian Cabalbac. Jakas Asha the ball to Rabanal. Rabanal looking for a receiver. It will be Jerome Bedoya. 5 on the shot clock. Rabanal on the inside, off the glass in. That's Soliana, defended by Capico. Rebound by Capico, pass to Jackas Kasha. Kasha, kumabalbaran, 2 pointers in number 17, Gian Cabana. Official score 45-32. Number 14. Manzano wide open, lays it in. Dave Alcantara, left-handed layup, yes sir. Then on the shot clock. And one passive foul. 10 seconds, game clock. Easy to wonder, number 10, Andaya. Now receives Coliano. And one passive foul. Number 7, Alan J. Adair. Adair once again. Getting strong rebound. The team Tabunin. The lead is lands down to 2 points. Here's number 10, Chamas Kashak. Loses the ball. Adair lays it in. Number 9, Ernest Molina, easy two-pointer. 3 against 2. Jackas Kasha goes up, lays it in. Salarzon. Today, Alcantara. Alcantara taking it easy. Alcantara hits up defender. Goes 3 against 1. Cabalban goes up, lays it in. 54-50. Now Mahan up by 4. Sarzon, elbow jumper. That one is short. Hindi man pinapagay ko manok. Now Jackas Kasha, 3 against 3. Jackas Kasha, lays it in. Chaba. Dominic Pamosia on the header. Now Jackas Kasha, 3 against 1. Kasha lays it in. Number 7 in Adair. 5 with the ball, Alex Coliano. To Dave Alcantara. 10 on the shot clock. Coliano to Bakusi, baseline jumper. That's on the game. The shot clock. Number 9, Ernest Molina. 10 on the shot clock. Molina, pull-up jumper, in and out. Alan J. Adair. Adair na pass to Bakusi. And one pass of foul. Number 9, Ernest Molina. Pass to Jackas Kasha. Kasha the ball. 10 on the shot clock. Gian Cabalban. Kumabadong. One other shot. Good shot. 0 number 8. Shan Yuri Cabermiana. Kanya paso Adair. Adair forcing that shot in and out. Jackas Kasha, bounce pass for the back. High off the glass. Rebound by number 7 in Adair. Adair stepping on the gas. Lays it in. Yes sir. What a game. To Jackas Kasha. Abunong on the ball, even opening. That one's rejected. The covers by Yuri. Abunong off the glass in. Shot Yuri Capuno. Number 7 in there, watches and play. For 3! Abunong. Gian Cabalban goes up, lays it in. Yes sir! Adair off the glass, 2 meters in. Jackas Kasha, number 8 to the middle. To the middle. Dave Alcantara on hand to hand. Alcantara to Makusi. Makusi for three! Lead up by 1 point. Well back for three. Coming from number 17, Gian Cabal. There on the ball. Paso Alcantara, 10 on the shot clock. Dominic Makusi, Tomiana. Iron shot, rebounding on the back. Jamas Asha goes on, he's away, Charles Allen. Ball is going. The ball is still there. Makusi for three. Number 8 Cabrón. Pass to Jamas Kasha. Kasha lays it in. Yes, sir. Right in the corner. Number 7 Ladera. Toliano is people. Kick out pass to Makusi. 100 shot. Rebound to number 9 Ernest Molina. On the ball. Recovers by Cabrón. Cabrón using footwork. Alcantara drop pass to Miana, 2-point receive, Charles Shaiwa. One stolen. Number 6 Soria to Jamas Kasha, 2-point receive. Number 9 Swarzon. Pass to Alcantara. Alcantara all together. 10 on the shot clock. Jumper. Jamas Kasha on the. Here's number 10, Jamas. Number 8, Comono. To General back for 3. That one is short. Comono 2-point receiving. There's number 12, Dave Alcantara. Defended by CK Soria Alcantara. Goes inside, flow to receive. Number 10, Jamas Kasha, pass Cabalbaga. Cabalbaga backs in the right, goes up, he's in, yes sir! 8-1. Number 12, Dave Alcantara. Kick out pass, Miana for 3. That one is short, getting short rebound. Pass to Makusi, left wide open. In and out. There's no 55 seconds on the game clock. Memoria and one pass it down. That's a violation. Marvin basketball. Shot clock at 14 seconds. Manzano to start someone for 3. In and out, rebound number 10, Jamas Kasha. 30 seconds game clock. And on the shot clock, he will get started. 13 seconds game clock. 5 seconds game clock.